Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken bacon ranch pasta in our Instant Pot. Keep watching, these are the ingredients. Okay, in a plastic bag we start adding our 2 chicken breasts. Mine's are boneless. I usually cut it in half, that's why it would show 4 here. Then we add our seasons. We add salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. We close it and we mix it all together. We then set up our Instant Pot to the saute mode. When it's hot, we add our olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have. We then start adding the chicken breasts to the Instant Pot and we cook them until they're a brown golden color. We then remove the chicken breast. And we add our bacon and we cook it until crispy. Okay, it's crispy enough. We then set it aside. We also remove and drain the bacon grease or oil. And then we can add our onions to the pot. That same bacon grease or oil, we can add a little bit more also. And we cook them for about a minute or 2. We also add our garlic cloves. We then add the 2 cups of chicken broth and we kind of scrape the bottom off. I totally forgot to record this part, but we add the 1 cup of heavy cream and also we add the 2 cups of pasta. And then we start adding the chicken breast. We make sure the pasta is covered with all the liquids. And then we start adding the cream cheese. We then close our Instant Pot and we make sure it's to the ceiling. Not venting, but sealing. And then we set up our Instant Pot pressure cook to 10 minutes. When the 10 minutes are up, we then do a quick release and we switch the valve to venting. Be careful, it's hot. Okay, when it's done venting, it's safe to open our lid. We then remove and set aside the chicken breast. And we can start adding the cheese. I added here about 1.5 cups of the Mexican blend shredded cheese. But you can use mozzarella, you can use whatever you have on hand. Give it a quick stir. We make the cheese is real blended with everything. And then it's time for us to add the parsley. I didn't have spinach. I would have loved to use spinach, but I didn't have it on hand, so I just used parsley. You can use spinach, you can use kale. It would come out delicious. What I did with the chicken breast was just cut it in little cubes, and then we just add it back in there. And we also add the bacon that we did earlier. Remember, we added in here too. And then we just mix everything together. We give it a quick stir, and then it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoy this recipe. I hope you do it. It's a really, really easy recipe, and it is delicious. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.